every generation has a duty, and the one we have during this day and age is to fix some of the challenges in our country, get our country to work again. Most of you are in the public service, you know the challenges we have. Meritocracy is what must reign. People must get jobs they can do, and when they do their job, they must be given the freedom to do what they need to do without over-politicization of public service and so on. We need to address all these issues we have discussed, as Peter was highlighting here, over taxation. We can't tax our way to prosperity. And then we don't even mind paying those taxes if we had better, much more transparent delivery of services so that we have resources to pay those taxes, as it were. So there's nothing new anyone will tell you except to ask you, my brothers and sisters, that we now have a date with destiny, a date with history during this time. Will we stand up and do the right thing without caring? I don't think in this association here, any one of you has expressed the tribal background of the chairman or which part of the country the chairman comes from. I've just sat there at the table listening to a very brilliant gentleman who I'm told is the chair of the men's group. I haven't even asked him his name. A wonderful guy, very smart. You know the things I've heard him speaking. Very smart people, and every time I hear people like this, I ask myself, one can actually be a PS and run a ministry. They have all good ideas, they know what needs to be done. You know? So because he has very brilliant ideas, he knows what needs to be done and so on. And I haven't even asked him his name, but I'm so awestruck by his ideas and I'm very happy about him. And if we all teamed up together and worked like that, we will, you know, deliver for our country. That's all we need, not to ask each other every day, the regions we come from, the tribes and so on. We don't make sense at all. It has given us an opportunity to build this country that he has given us, do the right thing for our people, so that our children and our children's children will find an environment in which they will enjoy.